What I really like to do for work is working on automation and industrial robotics, and here it's like I have the opportunity to work with our great metals lab and all the equipment here in the robotics lab. Here in the applied engineering building in general, it's a really tight-knit community, you know. We're not a super large student body growing, but you know, that helps. You know, everybody kind of knows everybody. Our class sizes allow professors to have a very personal relationship with students. So I mean, I'm able to talk with my professors really anytime and wander around the building and hang out with the department head, Stuart, and so it's really nice to make those connections. It's like a good community here. We're in the lab like either the first or second week of school actually working on electrical components, which is really important for me because I like hands-on learning. I mean, the applied engineering building here on campus is great. I mean, we have all these brand new equipment and it's always open to students. I mean, working with like the department head and other professors, I mean, they're super great about opening these lab spaces to students and helping you out if you have a project that you're working on.